So I'm going to try some kohlrabi. Raked a nice sort of level bed, put a string up, so just a shallow drill, so probably about ½ an inch deep I suppose, and really just sow as thinly as you can, give it a good water, and you should find within about 10-14 days that the seedlings have come through. We'll come back and see how they're doing. Hopefully they'll be almost ready to start thinning.
Well, Steve, how's those kohlrabi doing that you sowed last month?
Oh, it's a sorry tale, Tony. It's really bad. Yeah, we've got everything's had a go at them. We've got flea beetle up here. Might even be able to see one jump if I run my hand over the top. And I think we had some slugs as well, or maybe it's birds or something's had the leaves off of those.
But you know, I looked at them about a week ago and they were fine.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's only the last week or so.
I mean,
all right.
maybe a bit of water, a bit of a drink, because we've had a bit of a dry spell. The soil's quite free draining, isn't it?
Yeah.
And they might come back, you never know, but I'm not very hopeful really.
Well,
no, how could I have done better, do you think?
Well, I
decided
decided
showing off,
to start some off on cell trays. In fact,
you are showing
a
off.
lot of us, I think we do, don't we?
Yeah.
You can't always trust put stuff straight into the ground because
You can't.
so much can happen to it.
Everything wants a nibble on, doesn't it?
These were started off in cell trays and they've been replanted into these modular seed trays.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
they're going on quite nicely.
They're
But
very
I'm,
nice.
I'm not willing to put them out just yet.
No, hang on for a little bit
I'll
longer.
let them grow a little bit and
Let them establish a bit
get
more.
themselves established.
Yeah, yeah.
And maybe we'll just need to protect them a little bit from
Yes,
flea beetles.
yes, a bit of netting over the top straight away, I guess. That's where I went wrong. Sowed them, didn't cover them.
Do you think it's worth persevering with these, or do you think?
Oh, a bit of a lost cause. They grow so quickly, don't they, kohlrabi? So
you can still sow them now and they'll be fine.
yeah, no.
We don't want too many, do we? Anyway.
No. So we only sowed a short row anyway, because they grow. I mean, within sort of from sowing about 60 days, you can be eating them. So, and if they get too big, they go woody. So it's better, isn't it, just to sow a few at a time. So it's no great loss, but I think it's a lesson learned.
Yes.
Maybe either start them off in trays or get them covered up as quickly as you can.
That's where we went wrong. We just probably need to protect them a little bit, didn't we?
Yeah.
There we go.
The dreaded flea beetle. Oh well. It's not going to beat us though.
No.
We'll try again.
We'll persevere with these ones later.
Yeah.